guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Mowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. I've had my truck sketchy for about 3 years now. When I first got it, I immediately bought a tonneau cover. My tonneau cover. It's the roll-up kind. Over the years, it sagged and drooped, and there's a lot of wear. Today, I'm putting on a new tonneau cover from my friends over at OEDRO.
But I need to clear off the snow off the old one so that I can install the new one.
Now that we got the snow off, let's open up this box and see what this looks like. As you can see, my old one is droopy and really worn out, but it has held up to the snow. And this type is just a roll-up kind, like this. As you can see from the new one, it's a 4-sectional one. My old one has Velcro sides, which deteriorated over the years and no longer Velcros. The new one has rubber weather stripping, so no Velcro needed. And it folds into 4 sections. Let's remove my old one first. Wowee! Look at that! Look how nice and neat and smooth that is. It's like one piece. Really easy to install. Didn't need any tools, no brackets. It's just knobs and levers. Here, here, and here. That's it. Seamless. No tools. So it does come with some weather stripping that you can place over here, but I usually don't do that because I open and close this a lot. Perfect. So to open it, just pull up on this. As you can see, there's a release there. Pull down on that, lift up, and this unhooks like that. Same goes for this side. And then just folds 4 ways. To fold it properly, you do have to stow this. Like that. And there's a clamp in the middle too. And then if you're driving with it retracted, you have these clips to prevent it from flying out. Each corner does have a wire that you can connect to another safety area in the bed, just for safety in case it flies off on the highway. You want to make sure that all your clamps are tightened pretty well. For further safety, I've attached that wire clip to my tie downs. Now let's cover it again. Undo the clips. Rotate it here. Put the center clamps on. After a while, you'll just feel it. Awesome. Doesn't that look great? So my old cover required these brackets and clamps, and you needed an impact wrench to get it on. There's 8 of them. And even though this was okay, the new one looks much better. Wouldn't you agree? I am super pleased at how this turned out. Such an easy installation. This is gonna hold up to the heavy winds and snow we get here on the east coast of the United States. If you guys want this for your 2009 through 2014 5.5 foot bed Ford F-150, I'll leave a link in the description. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so I can continue to bring you great weekend product reviews like this one. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.